project. I've already started working on it a little bit, but I thought I'd touch base and tell you what I got going on here. This is a Kershaw, great knife, great company, quality knives, good steel, you know. This is a little bit of a lower end one because of the plastic handle, but I've seen some Kershaws go for hundreds of dollars, and they're worth it. I mean, even the lower end models, they're great utility knives. Even that's what this is. It's a customer's utility knife. He uses it on the work site, cutting wire and different things, and so he just wanted a quick edge on it, and I've got this pretty sharp so far. I don't know if you can see it with this camera. A little bit of a wire's edge on there. I took some of it off already. You can see just a little bit of the wire edge rolling back when I touch it. This right here, this bad boy. This is, sadly, it's not made in the USA, even though it looks like some good old American construction. But this is the TSProf. It is made in Russia. I had it imported, even had Russian lettering on the box. This thing wasn't cheap, but all the features that it has are all the features I was looking for in a knife sharpening jig. I mean, it works smooth, it's great machining, all the parts of metal, nothing's plastic, it's all machined very nicely. It's got great action, smooth action. It's consistent. If you look here, it's got this little gauge that tells you what angle you're at. Right here we're at a 19, so try and keep that the same for whatever knife you're using. Get that good apex on the blade if you keep both edges, both sides of the edge at the same angle. But I'll tell you what, this thing's great. I've got stones up to 1,000 and polishing papers for this. They go up to 6,000. So that's how you get a nice fine polish on the edge of a blade. Nice mirror finish, which is what I'm going to do for this guy. Even though he's going to take that beautiful finish off in a matter of days, I still want to give him a Miller sharp knife so that he knows what sharp really is. So I'm going to put this camera somewhere and get a few more angles before I'm finished sharpening this. And if you like my setup and you like Kershaw, or you just like a really sharp knife, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Alright guys, now let's see how sharp we got this thing. That's sharp when you can shave the flat side of paper. That's sharp. It's Miller sharp.